Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a video I wanted to do on a wood shop in Fredericksburg called the Workshop. This is barnwood that was in on consignment that was discovered by me. This place was recommended to me by my partner and I had an amazing experience my first time there. I commissioned them to make me 2 supports for a mantle for my clients. Mike, who is part owner, I believe, explained to me that this particular wood had metal and nails in it, and if it was to mess up the machines, that I would be held liable. After me removing the nails and any metal I discovered from the 4-foot piece I cut off of the large 10-foot piece that was shown earlier, him and I hashed out the sizes of these supports and the dimensions, and immediately he got to work on it. He then told me later, I had 5 other things to do, but art pieces I enjoy, so I just did it. He's like, they're fun. And I just am very appreciative of that. That's it. Big shout out to Mike. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.